this one here. So it appears as you see. You can underline, you can add the size. That is our legend. So the next step, maybe we can add the greens to our map. So you can just highlight on grid, then ensure you click on plus sign, then click on grid, then modify greens. So you can use scale intervals that are appropriate. For example, let's see, maybe you can check on the coordinate system. So wow, and that, let's see some adjustment here. You can visualize, and there are some changes that are happening. There are still some changes that are happening. Okay, it is much better now. I think that one is much better now. Wow, it appears now as you see. So we can just see the ingredient type. We can use make use of airs, and maybe now we can go to the labeling of our greens. Maybe can just highlight on draw coordinates. So number of decimals, show all. The left ones you can show all. Then how can they be shown? Just vertical, maybe ascending, as you can visualize. And maybe the ones in the right, we can use the vertical descending, as you can see. And maybe those others can leave as they are. Okay, the top is disabled, show all. Yeah, as you can see. So the precision maybe can be at 0. And maybe we can add the frame. Can adjust on the thickness of a frame. You can add even the background of your map. Okay, so you can use the background of your choice. You can visualize from this point, but let it remain hollow. So the next step, we can just adjust the frame of our map fit in our page. So I think it is now better. So the next thing you are going to add, the title. So you can just come here and add text. Click at this point, under text. Maybe you can call it our AOI map. So you can just center it to the middle, then the position and the symbol you can just adjust. Then you can change on its background, and also is the font. Just click on the font and choose the font of your choice. Then the style, then you can increase on the size, and maybe you can underline as so. The next thing I'm going to add is a dynamic text. So dynamic text, for example, the current date in the format of day, month, and year. So we can input it at this point. Okay, so we can add a date title here. Then we can just select the font also. We can make a size addition of size. I think it is better. Then we can add also another dynamic text, for example, this one here. The coordinate system used. Okay, so they are available at that point. So we can also add another item, maybe the username. So the username, I can call him the name. We can write Celesta, TIS. Can select on the font, can increase the size. Okay, so now the next thing maybe we can add is the attribute table at this point, as we saw in our map. So this is our attribute table, and now finally we can add the map frame and the shape, maybe the rectangle. This is our map frame. So you can see the map frame appears on the top of our data. So I shall just go to the rise item tool, then send it to back, so you can visualize how we have done our map. So now to export our map, we can just go to the export to PDF folder. Then you can save, type as a PDF format, then you can just save. So you can save. And that is how you can make a map in Qgis. So feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.